Hello, everyone. Today we are going to delve into the laws that govern us Seychelles. More specifically, we'll be discussing the fundamental rights enshrined in our Constitution. Our Constitution, as approved by the referendum on June 18, 1993, and amended multiple times since, strongly underscores the rights and freedoms of Seychelles citizens, while also affirming democratic values. The Constitution, among other things, guarantees the protection of private property and the right to freedom of expression and conscience. It also protects the cultural and customary values of us, the Seychelles people. As provided by Article 48, the Constitution requires courts to interpret the Charter of Rights and Freedoms in a manner that doesn't contravene any international treaty obligation of Seychelles. Now let's begin with one of the most fundamental rights, the right to life. As per our Constitution, everyone has a right to life, and no one can be deprived of their life intentionally. Another important right is freedom from slavery and forced labor. Under this right, individuals cannot be held in slavery or servitude or forced to perform compulsory labor. Then comes the right to liberty. This right ensures personal freedom except under certain circumstances, such as lawful detention following a conviction or for public health reasons. The right to a fair and public hearing is another crucial right. As citizens, you are entitled to a fair and public hearing within a reasonable time by an independent and impartial court. Our Constitution also grants us the right to privacy, protecting us from arbitrary interference with our privacy, family, home, or correspondence. Next, we have the freedom of conscience. This includes your freedom of thought and religion, including the freedom to change your religion or belief and to practice or propagate your religion. Freedom of expression is also key in our constitutional rights. As Seychelles, we have the right to hold opinions without interference and to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas. Also, we enjoy the right of assembly and association. In other words, humans have the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association, including the right to form and join trade unions. The right to participate in government is also given to us. This right allows citizens to take part in the conduct of public affairs, directly or through freely chosen representatives, and to vote and be elected at genuine periodic elections. Then, the freedom of movement is also ensured. This includes the right to move freely within Seychelles and the freedom to leave and return to the country. Next is the right to property. Our Constitution guarantees the protection of private property to every citizen. Every individual also has the right to equal protection of the law, meaning all individuals are equal before the law and are entitled to equal protection of the law without discrimination. Lastly, the Constitution also recognizes the right to health care, education, and work as being essential for a decent and dignified existence of each citizen, thus underscoring the importance of these aspects in our lives. I hope this session has helped you better understand your rights as a Seychellois. Always remember, these rights form the bedrock of our society, fostering freedom, justice, welfare, fraternity, peace, and unity in Seychelles. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content on this channel.